Welcome back and ride 32, Rocky Knob. Let's ride. Rocky Knob Bike Park is just outside of Boone and free to ride. It has 11 miles of trails, and if you like gaps, tabletops, and have a full face helmet, you'll love it here. I only rode about half the trails, and most of the other half is more than I want. You start with a climb from the parking lot, and if you go all the way to the top, it's a lot of climbing. I couldn't figure out how to get to the trail called Jumbo Shrimp, so I rode Blue Denim and back up for the Skills Loop. Nope, still don't have any. After the ride, we did a hike around Price Lake, and then went to find a primitive spot to camp. My favorite spot at the end of this trail was taken by a hammock camper who had hiked in. Why, when you have the whole forest, would you take a drive-in spot? He did hike by later and said he didn't realize I could make it down the trail to the spot. After dinner, we failed to make a fire with the damp wood, and we made it an early night.